Hello hackers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about a very interesting topic. Have you ever heard that how hackers can access your uh, live location, current location by just sending a link? So don't worry about it. I will teach you how to do it. So without wasting time, let's get started. So just open up your Kali and open your Firefox browser and then search here Hound GitHub and hit enter. Now you can see this link. You open this first link and you can see the code option here. You just copy this link and open up your terminal now. I have created separate directory for it, so don't worry. Now type git clone and just paste that link and hit enter. Now we can see that this Hound tool is successfully installed. So let's get into it. cd Hound ls. Now we can see all those files are here. So what we need to do is like just bash and hound.sh and just hit enter. Now we can see that we have successfully set up our Hound tool, and now you need to just click about y and just hit enter. It will take some time, so please wait here. Now currently it was downloading the Cloudflare. It started a PHP server and started a Cloudflare tunnel. Yeah, now you can see that it generated a link here. Okay, you just need to copy it and open your Firefox and just type tiny URL and just hit enter. Okay, now you can see that you open this first link. Okay, just enter the link which we got from here. Okay, now paste it here and hit shorten URL. Okay, it is showing it was banned, so just leave it and just open another tab and just hit grabify. Okay, and you just open this first one, paste this link here and just create URL. Just agree what they are saying and continue here. Yeah, now you should need to do some modifications here. Okay, like the link should looks like a legitimate to the victim, then only he can able to click, or else he just ignore. Like it is some phishing link, he will thought and he will just ignore it. Okay, so come here and change domain and custom link, click here. Instead of grabify domain, we are selecting some mm, yeah, anything like stopify. I'm just taking like that, and extension dot png I will take, and path I will take something like image, and id parameter I'll keep it default. Okay, now what you should do is like you just copy this link and send to your victim. Okay, I'll just open in my tab only. Okay, you can send this link to your victim or your friends. Okay, just hitting here, I will open it now. Now it will asking some permission, so I will allow. And then when you can see here in terminal, we got their latitude and longitude and map location. You just open this link, open link. So this is my current location. You can see here. I'll just zoom it here. So here it is showing my current location. Okay, see, or else you can open this link like total, just copy and open new tab and hit here. Yeah, you can see the same thing here. We got just our location. So you can also share the direct link this one to your targeted victim. But why I did here this grabify thing means, like if you share it directly now, like some browsers will detect, or like someone will think like it will be phishing. Okay, it will be a phishing link. So with grabify we can modify our URL, like what victim's interest is. Like suppose my victim interest is in some photography or something, so I will just customize according to that, and I will share this link and tell, yeah, just open this link. And if he clicks and if you open the link now, like there will be a pop-up to show like allow or deny. If he allows, then we will get his longitude and latitude here. So this is all about today's video. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. And the thing is, I was thought to make a video on nmap, but I need some setup for that, so I am looking into that. But soon I will bring that nmap video. Okay, until then, happy hacking. Bye bye.